Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it right now. A big congratulations to all the gold members, once again locking in a beautiful 19.7 I believe a 19.7% profit on our last trade. So you guys are racking up those gains. So far we haven't sustained any losses, but I can almost guarantee you they're not always going to be winning ones. So if we do incur some losses, it's going to happen eventually. But right now, for the time being, we are in another trade, and so far it's green. But again, right now, Bitcoin coming down to 38,215. We came as low as 37,700, at which point we entered our long. So we are in our long position at the moment. So if we do hold this level, we could see some upside from here. But again, big reminder for you guys, we have seen some pretty big wicks as support before, but right now we're not getting a big wick. We have a big red candle, as today the traditional market's a big down day today. You can see down over 3.95% on the Nasdaq, 2.81 on the S&P, and 2.38 on the Dow Jones, and the Russell following pretty closely with the Nasdaq with the 3.26 move. But again, right now, we had the earnings report from Microsoft and Google, so we're gonna get into that in a little bit. This is the BTC2 chart. I don't know why I'm on Google. I should be on Bitcoin. So let's get back on Bitcoin. Right now, we could see we are coming back down to that $38,100 level like I was talking in the previous video. If this level doesn't hold, then we're going to be taking a look at some lower levels after that, which is going to be around 36,100. If that doesn't hold, you're going to be taking a look at 34,700, and after that 33,000, which is that previous low from that initial wick that we got from here, from that big drop back in January. So from the time being, we are still in the money right now. So let's see if we're going to stay in the money. All right now we can see on the daily time frame on that DBSI candle, we had a big reversal. We had a beautiful green candle, and then now it turned completely red, wicking down as low as 37,000, and now we have a new daily candle with a 13 and a -5. So things are looking significantly more bearish right now, but a big pump towards the upside can change it, just like we changed that green candle. That green candle turned red. Who's to say that this red candle right here couldn't turn to green? But if we do continue towards the downside, we're going to break some pretty important support right here, and this would be breaking that bear flag that I've been talking about. If we do break down, then this could start the capitulation of Bitcoin going towards the downside. As we can see on that weekly time frame, we still have that 24 and a -5, so extremely bearish in my opinion for the long term. But who knows, maybe we're gonna get a nice little pump to 42,000. Right? I'm not predicting anything. I'm just making some bets right here. Ethereum, we're in an Ethereum trade as well. We came back down to retest this yellow line, wicking all the way down here. Got a few orders in, and now we closed above that yellow line. So far we have a new candle right now on the 6 hour. On the 4 hour we have a new candle as well. So let's see if we close above this. If we close above this, maybe we're going to get some upside. Again, a lot of it is going to depend on the traditional markets. So far the Nasdaq is up 1.38%, not too much right now, but today, man oh man, were we down with those earning reports. And not only that, we had that some pretty negative news coming out of Europe as Russia stops exporting natural gas to Poland. So the fears are starting to grow as Europe could be next. So just take that into account when you're making your trades. Gold, in my opinion, gold is just consolidating a bit of a bear flag right here. You could say that maybe we're starting to form a premature bear flag, and if we keep going, then our next stop would be around 1871 if we break towards the downside. After that, my main target would be around 1821, like I've been talking about. If we could get there, then I'm going to be a very big buyer. You can see that the gold stocks were actually down a little bit today. Some of them ending up in the green, with Newmont Mining in the green and MNT ended up being in the green as well. But most miners came down, which is really nice to see, because it's going to be a great reaccumulation period in my opinion. As you can see, a lot of the silver miners getting punished as well, as silver breaks back below the support line. And if we come back down, then silver is going to be great to reaccumulate around 22 as well if we do keep coming down. But for the time being, some temporary support could be coming around $23.31. But yeah, overall guys, I think we could get some upside from here. again, like I said, this depends a lot on the traditional markets, because today after the markets closed, we got Microsoft earnings came in. I believe they beat earnings. Actually, yeah, we could take a look right here. They beat earnings, so things are pretty good. But again, it's nothing too crazy. You know, it's not like they made that much more money. You know, only around $300 million. It is a lot of money to, you know, $300 million, but from what they estimated, 49 billion to 49.3 billion, it's not that much. And you know, I believe they were up around 5% after market close. Google, however, a miss on their earnings, short of 44 million, and a surprise on the EPS there too. And they were actually selling off 6%, so they fell around $100 after their earnings. So maybe tomorrow we're gonna get another red day in the markets. Facebook is tomorrow, their earnings report, and Roku, I believe, as well. Let me take a look at my chart right here. So tomorrow we got Facebook, we got PayPal, we got Ford, we got Teladoc, and a few other ones. Spotify earnings comes out before the open, so it'll be nice to see how their subscriptions are doing. Boeing is reporting as well, and a few other companies too, but those ones are not that big and won't really have an impact on the market. The big ones that are going to be market moving is going to be MetaMask and potentially PayPal as well, so you want to keep an eye on those. Again, if the markets keep tanking, you're going to see Bitcoin tanking as well, and then we're going to take a decision on our Bitcoin trade. But for the time being, we are in the green, we are up, and congratulations if you're a gold member. You guys are collecting those gains one trade at a time. You know, proper risk management, not going all in. You know, if you guys follow my trades, you should really pay attention to the recommended amount, because I do tend to add to my positions. I don't go all in. If you guys go all in and we have to add to our position, then you're left with nothing in your trading account. Then that's going to be pretty unfortunate. And let's take a look one more time at those hash ribbons. Again, a lagging indicator, nothing new today. Still haven't crossed yet, no capitulation yet. But if the Bitcoin price drops, maybe we're going to get a capitulation. Oh man, I can't speak English today. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Really appreciate the support. We're at we're at 9,387 subscribers. We reached 400 views in that last video. If we can get, you know, those likes up to 100 likes again, maybe I'll start reconsidering doing another giveaway. So if you guys can get those likes up to 100, you know, maybe we're gonna do another giveaway for a free membership. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. Links in the description.